Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In this video I'm going to unbox the Realme Narzo 50 device. Yes friends, just yesterday only I did order this device, which is a 6GB and 128GB variant for about 13,500 rupees after using the bank discount cards and everything. The main reason why I did order this device is because one of my friend want to buy this device, so I thought of reviewing this phone and just giving it back to him as well later on. So that's the reason I thought of ordering this device. And even tomorrow I was thinking of buying this Samsung F23. Do let me know in the comment section below, should I buy this Samsung F23 or not? So let me know in the comments. Definitely I'll be looking forward to buy this device depending on the feedback and the comments and response I do get from. So let's get started friends, initial unboxing. Just yesterday only I did order and it delivered in just 1 day of time. That's pretty fast, I would say, regarding the delivery. That's very good. Because of this Prime membership, I think that's the reason it was able to deliver very fast. And here's a quick look at the unboxing, as you can see. And let me quickly think. Let's cut this tape somewhere around here. Yes. And the Realme Narzo 50, which has got the MediaTek Helio G96 processor. And this is not the first time I've been using this G96 processor. I did use other devices as well with the G96 processor before. So definitely I'll be expecting same kind of performance. And anyway, so we do have the Realme Narzo inside this device. Finally, I do have the Realme Narzo 30. So I do have the Realme Narzo 30 Pro with me. I can definitely do the side-by-side comparison like Dimensity 800U processor versus this MediaTek Helio G96 processor, which is a 6GB RAM variant, and 120Hz refresh rate display will be there in this Realme Narzo 50 device. That's also another fantastic thing regarding the display. So let's do the initial unboxing cutting of this device. Let's see how is the experience and everything. And after this, I'm even thinking of buying the iQOO Z6 as well. I'm not sure, but only depending on the comments and feedback, I'll be thinking of buying that device as well, iQOO Z6, very soon. So here's a quick look at the unboxing. And let me cut this tape. Let's see what are the contents inside the box will be there. And what are other videos you want me to upload on the Realme Narzo 50 device? In case if you're interested to know about this device, I can definitely do the video as soon as possible. So inside the box, so we do get the case and normal warranty, normal papers with that, and is a transparent case which we got. And inside that there's nothing inside. Let's keep everything in, and we do have the SIM card pin, I think somewhere around here. Yes, there's SIM card pin here. And I need to test even the connectivity thing, like whether the phone supports 4G plus carrier aggregation or not, how is the performance and how is the display and everything. I'll try to do the in-depth testing on this one. And here's the phone itself, Realme Narzo 50. And we do have the charger which is built in. That's pretty good. Like I think 30 watts fast charging should be there, supported with that. That's also fantastic. And we do have the 33 watts, I guess, but it is a charger which do have here. Yes, 33 watts charger, 120Hz refresh rate, and MediaTek Helio G96 processor which will be present, and camera set of 50 megapixel camera. And definitely friends, I'll try to do the testing on this processor Helio G96, how efficient the processor is kind of thing in this Realme Narzo 50 device. So in case, as I said, if you want me to upload any other videos on this particular device, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll try to upload those videos. And let me open this cover and package. Let's see whether there is any kind of screen protector built in or not inside this device. I'll try to keep everything inside safely. And yes, there is screen protector with the phone out of the unboxing. That's pretty good. So let's see, is there any kind of charge left in this device or not right now. So meanwhile, let's check the phone weight, how much the phone weight can be there with a 5000 mAh of battery capacity, right? So I'm guessing it should be around 200 grams. So 197 grams, not bad. Regarding the weight, 197 grams, the weight is there. For the 5000 mAh of battery capacity in this device, that's also another thing you should know about. So let's remove this one. And yes, there's some kind of charge left in the box, in this device. So let me quickly start unboxing. So next, let's do the initial setup and everything. Skip. Accept later. So let me know in the comments, friends, what are the videos you want me to upload. Definitely I try to buy the Samsung F23 because I'm thinking of testing this 750G processor as well in the Samsung, and I'm getting so many comments recently as well to buy the Samsung device. So that's the reason I'm thinking to buy the Samsung phone. So the complete setup has been done, friends, in the Realme Narzo 50 device. I think the initial battery out of the box, it did come with 65%, not bad. That's also pretty good out of the box. This bunch of battery is there in the Realme Narzo 50 device. So this is a 6GB RAM variant which I did order exactly right now. So you should be able to see in the about phone, you can see 6GB, and you can expand up to, 6 plus 5GB, 11GB you can actually expand up to. That's also possible in the Realme Narzo 50 device, Helio G96 processor. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Instead of more updates, in case if you want me to upload any other videos, do let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Until then, bye.